Hi everybody, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kimmy and I'm going to Walt Disney World in a few days. Today I wanted to do a vlog where I will show you everything I'm packing in my actual suitcase and everything I'll be taking with me as hand luggage. So let's do this. So I've laid everything out on the bed of what is actually going into my suitcase. It's not very organised, I'm not going to lie to you. It will be in a second, but I wanted to show you exactly how I pack. So I don't use packing cubes. I know a lot of people out there do use packing cubes. I personally don't. I like to be as organised as possibly can, especially because I do Disney bound. So what I tend to do is I tend to use these bags that are from IKEA. I think you can get like a pack of 20 for £4 or something, and I'll write down the date and what park I'm going to, and then I will literally put the exact outfit I'm wearing that day into the bag. So my suitcase is organised into what I'm wearing on them days and then just random other clothes that I will take with me, which I'll show you in a second. This is my beautiful suitcase that I will be taking. It's from American Tourister. I got it a few years ago, but it is complete Marvel comic strip and I absolutely love it. It has served me well for many years and is a great suitcase. So onto the chaos that is the mess on this bed. Let me break it down for you of what I'm going to pack. I have a selection of shorts here. I think I'm taking about 7 pairs of shorts. There might be more. 2 bikinis, 1 bikini, 1 swimsuit. This is just a wet t-shirt if I want to put it on. These are my dresses I'm taking. They're actually my Disney bound dresses and that one's supposed to be over there. Strappy t-shirts. It's my dad's 60th, as I mentioned while we were out there, so we've got decorations for him. I've then just got normal plain t-shirts that I'll be taking to the parks. Underwear, obviously, hair accessories, lounge flyers that I'm packing, pyjamas, socks. I'll be travelling in 1 pair of shoes, but I'll take another pair of trainers, sliders for the water parks, and 2 pairs of flats if I don't want to wear trainers. There's my camera accessories and other bits. We're drinking around the world and I found these little passports on Etsy that I printed off. So they'll be going with us. There's some spare straws and cutlery, makeup wipes, liquid talc and tissues. I will be packing makeup, but I've not put it in here yet because I'm wearing it tomorrow. What I did do is I went on Google Documents and I created a document and I wrote down that everything I need to pack, and I've just printed that off just so I make sure that I don't forget anything when I am packing. I do have a tendency to do that. I'm going to panic that I've forgotten something immediately, but we'll do when we come to it. So let me organise my outfits and I'll be back. One thing I did fail to mention is that obviously for the first 2 nights we will be at the Hard Rock Hotel. We will not unpack our suitcase, obviously. So what we do in this instance is that everyone will put their Universal clothes together, what they're wearing for Universal Studios, and the next day we'll be at Volcano Bay. So we'll put everything that we will need for the first 2 nights at the Hard Rock Hotel into 1 holdall, and then that will be coming into the Hard Rock with us. I do apologise if you can hear the fan in the background. It is extremely hot in the back bedroom, so I need to put it on, but we will continue. I have officially put all the outfits I plan on wearing into bags, so I'll show you now. This is the type of thing that I mean. So on the 19th I'll be in the Magic Kingdom and I'm wearing a Merida dress, so that's the type of thing I mean. It's the same with the Ariel dress. So on the 14th, Magic Kingdom, Ariel, Jessica Rabbit, red dress and situations like that. I have my ears in bags. These ears are from Best Kind of Magic on Etsy. I will link them down below. These were custom made for me. They're so cute though, look. Obviously these ones I've got in the parks. I do have more ears, but I took them last time and I didn't end up wearing them. But I do have a massive bag of hair accessories, which I'll more than likely be wearing around the parks. Okay, let's get the suitcase on the bed. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Oh, it's on the bed. Let's open it up. This should be empty. I'm hoping this is empty. Ta-da! Oh, it's empty. Let's pack the suitcase. Okay, so I've just packed one side of it. So in here, I've packed stuff in the Loungefly bag so that I can get more stuff in. I've got more room. All my shorts are down the side on top of these shoes. I've stuffed some more shorts here. Pyjamas are this side. spare tissues, and my ears are on top. So I'm going to go ahead and do, and I'm going to zip this side up, and then I'm going to start on the other side. I'm not going to lie, I feel like I'm missing a lot because I have half an empty suitcase. Obviously I know that a lot of it, or most of it, is going into the universal bag, but I feel like there's stuff missing. As I was getting stuff out of my hand, I did think of some things I did miss off of my actual suitcase stuff. So I've added in my microfiber hair towel because I don't like using normal hair towels, so I'm taking that with me. I'm also taking a baseball cap just in case there's a day where it's too sunny and I want to hide my head. So I'll just put a Carolina Panthers in because I'm a Carolina Panthers fan. I'm going to take some snacks. I'm going to take these are like Bear Yo-Yo mango bars. They're like dried fruit, honestly absolutely heaven. And also some hair rollers as well. The only two things that you won't see me put in there for now, I might add it to the vlog at the end where I'm wearing something different, but they will be my makeup because I'm going out tomorrow, so I'll have to wear makeup then, and my hair curlers, which I will be using on Tuesday just before we leave for the airport. So they'll be the two last things I actually put in my suitcase before we go to the airport. Okay, now that the suitcase is half full, but I'm 99% sure everything is in there, it should be in there. Now it's time to move on to hand luggage. So for my hand luggage, I take a backpack on the plane, and it's this beauty right here. This is the Scary Teddy from The Nightmare Before Christmas, which was actually based off of Mickey Mouse, in case you didn't know. Little trivia for you. This is actually a Loungefly backpack. It's a full-size backpack, but it is actual Loungefly. It's a very old Loungefly. I think it's the first one I ever owned, actually, that wasn't a mini backpack. It's a full-size one. And here's everything I put in there. Okay, so everything you see here will be going in my hand luggage. So let me run it down for you. So over here you obviously have my pack that has all of the camera stuff in it, so spare batteries, the waterproof cameras in there, along with the cables and the spare memory cards. They're just my drinking around the world things that can get out. Here is a little Menti bag. I got this off of eBay. It's a Spider-Man one. So in here is flight socks, an eye mask, some earplugs, toothbrush and toothpaste also in there. It comes with a packet of little tissues as well. I also take some reusable pads, which leads on to the next bit. I tend to do my skincare routine on the plane because obviously the plane can dry your skin out. So in here there's some cleansing water, if the camera focuses, cleansing water, toner, there's some cream in there, there's a little mini toothpaste because obviously the liquid, I've got to go through that. I've got an eye mask, a face mask and a lip mask, so all for moisturising purposes. Pair of sunglasses, my mobile phone obviously, my magic band. I am getting a new one, I ordered mine today. Will be waiting for me at the hotel, but I'll take my old one just in case. Foldable hairbrush because it's a long flight, some lens wipes for my glasses, a scrunchie, some tissues. I got these from Home Bargains. I like travel games. I don't know if we'll play them, but I will take them. But I am taking my Nintendo Switch with us. In here is multiple games. It's not just Skyrim in there. There are quite a few games in there, so that should keep us entertained on the plane. A spare pair of underwear because that is absolutely essential. My Beat headphones to plug in. All of my chargers, which will go in a separate bag. Paracetamol because I do tend to get quite sick on a plane. A little mini Robinson squeezy fruit thing because I like water, but I'm not a humongous fan of it. Anti-bac wipes, anti-bac spray and hand sanitizer. Some mini flumps because you can't go wrong with some mini flumps. Obviously my MacBook, that's got to go in its case, and my trusty little sidekick that comes with me everywhere, and this is Rocky. My hamster woke up. Do you reckon we could take him with us? We could get him little Mickey ears, and then he could come to the he's giving me kisses, and he could come to the parks with us. What do you reckon, Ragnar? Do you want to come to the Disney parks with us? It could be like Ratatouille, but with a dwarf hamster and not a rat. Apart from the last minute bits that have got to go in, we are officially packed. So all I've got to do now is put my stuff away for the Universal hold all. I've already got the clothes out that I'm travelling in, so what I'm going to do is I am going to travel to the airport in the clothes I'll be travelling in, immediately get changed into a pair of pyjamas that are just, they're really old and they just need to go in the bin anyway, and then I'll wear the same things to travel in. So I'll show you exactly what I'm travelling in. So, pair of leggings, these are Playboy ones from Misguided. They are extremely comfortable, so I'll be wearing them, along with this t-shirt that's, it does say spoiled, it's just folded. It says spoiled on it. This is from All Ears Boutique. I will link them down below. It's really soft and really comfy. It's also where I got the Mickey & Co, Tiffany & Co parody from. Obviously underwear. These shoes, I actually made these shoes myself. I'm obsessed with Stranger Things, so I did make these shoes myself. They're just from Primark. I just drew on them. A pair of socks. Obviously I won't wear socks with them, but just in case my feet do get cold, I have a tendency to sleep in those. And then just a jacket for the plane for when I do get cold. Just hijacking for a minute, future Kimmy here, because I completely forgot to mention about toiletries. And you're going to wonder why I'm not putting toiletries in my bag. I don't take toiletries to the United States. I tend to go to Walmart, and I'll get my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, everything I need from there. So I don't put any toiletries in my bag at all, in case you're wondering why I never mentioned them. But I've just done my makeup for tonight, so I've put my makeup in now. And the last thing to do is pat the hair curler, and then it's done. It's done. Anyway, back to past. Okay, so that's everything I pack in my suitcase and my hand luggage. Of course, the only things you didn't see go in there are my medication, which I don't tend to show people, my straighteners, my curlers, and my makeup. They will go in last minute. But apart from that, that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I can't believe I'm packing. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You won't see me now for a few weeks because I will be in Florida. But once I come back, I will be editing straight away. And a brand new Walt Disney World vlog series will be starting soon. Bye!